Hello friends, hope you are doing well. वेलकम बैक। हमने ऑलरेडी 2023, 21, 20 का पेपर कवर कर लिया है 6 वीडियोस में। अब हम आज का पेपर जो कि 2019 का पेपर है वो कवर करेंगे। यस, हमारा सेट ए है और आप जैसे देख सकते हैं मैक्सिमम मार्क्स है 200 और नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 100। टाइम आपको मिलता है 2 आवर्स का एंड यस, नो निगेटिव मार्किंग। यस, पूरा पेपर सॉल्व करके आना। सो मूविंग फर्दर लॉजिक्स के साथ पर, क्या पता आप क्लियर हो जाओ। और हाँ, अगर आपने PYQ अच्छे से किया है आप क्लियर पक्का होंगे, गारंटी बोल मेरी, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है PYQ से क्वेश्चंस एज सच रिपीट होते। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम we will get started with this. Question number 1. Which of the following ancient sites is not associated with megalithic culture? Megalithic culture माने the big stones, yes. Here they are asking which is not associated. हमने 23 में देखा था, वहाँ था which are the types of megaliths. Yes, तो उसमें हमने पढ़ा था डॉल्मेंस, क्रेन सर्कल्स, देन और कौन से थे एनिमल। उसके बाद में थे केप स्टोन्स, सिस्ट, मोनोलिथ, स्टोन सर्कल्स। यस, अभी यहाँ पर हमको पूछा है विच आर द टाइप्स। वैसे विच इज द साइट, मोस्टली मेगालिथिक कल्चर महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु, केरला, आंध्र प्रदेश यहीं पर मिलता है, नॉर्थ साउथ इंडिया में। सो ये सारी साइट्स भी साउथ इंडियन है, बट ये जूनर भी साउथ इंडियन है, बट ये मेगालिथिक साइट नहीं है। ये एंशियंट विलेज है जो कि 1st सेंचुरी AD में मिला गया। सो जूनर इज अ विलेज, एंशियंट विलेज। यस, it is not megalithic site. Now, which of the following sites, second question, does not represent the Chalcolithic culture? कायथा, जोरवे, ब्रह्मपुरी, सावलदा। सो इसमें से कायथा और जोरवे तो हमें पता ही है। ये यस, दे आर द Chalcolithic cultures of कायथा is of मालवा, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, एंड जोरवे, महाराष्ट्र. So Savalda, it is also Chalcolithic culture, but Brahmapuri is not a Chalcolithic culture. It is related to Ahar. Savalda is related to Ahar Banas, and also one Harappan civilization is also part of Chalcolithic culture. Yes. Now next question is on Harappa. Dash was a Harappan trading post in Afghanistan. This question is very basic, very easy. Sure to khai. At least do read all the Harappan sites. And वहाँ की famous चीज़ है. Fire altars are not found from the Harappan site of not found. So Banavali, Rakhighari, Surkhotoda, Lothal. Last year also there was like 20 also there was question about fire altars, and now again fire altars like 19 में repeat, 20 में, 19 का 20 में भी आया। कालीबंगन है, लोथल है, राखीघरी, बनावली। ऑप्शन सी सुरकतोड़ा, which is in Haryana, is not a fire altar place. Now moving further, Dash tribe in Balochistan speak a language similar to Tamil language. Now let us look at the tribes. Option से eliminate होगा. Mundas are from Central India, Madhya Pradesh. Bhils and Santhals, East India. So which we can by elimination Brahui. Yes. Option B. Now 6th question, entry point for trade between the Indus trading centers and Mesopotamia was. Entry point, एलम, बहरीन, ओमान, अफगानिस्तान. अब अफगानिस्तान तो लैंडलॉक है. ओमान इज ऑल्सो in in Central Asia, and then it is Bahrain, which is also port country, which was known as Dilmun. Yes, its name was Dilmun in Mesopotamian text. Dilmun. Which of the following sites has not yielded any evidences related to the Indo-Roman trade? 7th question. Tar, Ter, Zunar, Adam, Morgav. Indo-Roman trade evidences not yielded. So it's D, Morgav. 7th का answer D, Morgav. It is also near Pune. Morgav, Moreshwar. Yes. Ganpati, Moreshwar Ganpati of Ashtavinayak. He is one of the 8 from the Ashtavinayak. 8th, which of the following is not the prenatal samskara? Garbhadhana, Pumamsa, Karnaveda, Simantayona. So Garbhadhana, but obviously वो मैरिड लेडीज का होता है, एंड सीमंतयोना भी मैरिड प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज का होता है. गर्भधाना, सीमंतयोना. एंड कर्णवेदा मीन्स ईयर पियर्सिंग, कान में छेद करते हैं, दैट इज कर्णवेदा. सो ऑप्शन सी. 9th, which of the following composition ascertains that Panini and Varuruchi were contemporaries of the Nandas? Panini and Varuruchi. Panini अष्टाध्यायी, yes, काफ़ी फेमस है. तो इसका आंसर है बृहत कथा. विच टेक्स्ट? बृहत कथा बाय गुणधया. हाँ, 6th century. He was in the court of Satvahana, King Hala. Yes. Question number 10. In 326 BC, when Alexander invaded India, Magad was ruled by. Important question again. Option C, Dhanananda. Yes, he is the last ruler of Nanda dynasty, defeated by Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, Mahapadmananda's son Dhanananda, and Udayin was the founder of Nanda dynasty. उसके बाद महापद्मनंदा and then Dhanananda, and Dhanananda was defeated by Chandragupta Maurya in the battle in 321 BC. Yes, 323 BC. Sorry, 323 BC. According to Megasthenes, the Pandya kingdom was famous for. Pandya kingdom was port state. So it was port kingdom. It was famous for pearls and other things were, in fact, I can say option A and B, but in answer key it is only pearls, fishes and silk. The trade with Barigaza flourished under the control of Western Kshatrap name. Trade with Barigaza flourished under the Western Kshatrap. Nahapana. Yes, he was also very famous. Nahapana, who was from 1st, 2nd century AD. And yes, they are Shaka rulers. Kshatrap are Shaka rulers, Indo-Scythian. Saka, 78 AD. By the way, Rudradaman, Sudarshan Lake person, Rudradaman. Rudradaman 1, not Rudradaman. Okay. So next, moving further, Indo-Scythians. Kshatrap कौन रहते हैं? Indo-Scythians. Which of the following? See, Sudarshan Reservoir. Which of the following inscription mention the repairing work of Sudarshan Reservoir? Hathi Gumpa, खारवेल का नासिक इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ नापना। इसमें नासिक इंस्क्रिप्शन में उन्होंने उनके मदर के बारे में कुछ लिया, नो सॉरी गौतमीपुत्र सतकर्णी के मदर का वाइफ का मेंशन है नासिक इंस्क्रिप्शन में। जूनागढ़ इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ रुद्रदमन, दिस क्वेश्चन एंड दिस ऑप्शन इज रिपीटेड इन 3 पेपर्स, लाइक स्ट्रेट 3 पेपर्स में ये रिपीट हुआ है एंड ये 4th पेपर। सो just understand the significance of previous year questions. Gupta year commences from 14th, like start कब से हुआ है 320 AD, कब तक था up to 550 sorry 550 AD। 320 AD से 550 AD। चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, वो तो बाद में आए थे। चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य डायनेस्टी के फाउंडर है। यस, वो पहले ही हो चुका है, लाइक इट वॉज बिफोर क्राइस्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गुप्ता किंग्स हैड इशूड कॉपर कॉइन्स? दिस गुप्ता किंग has also issued copper, gold, silver coins. He is Kumar Gupta. Kumar Gupta I. Yes, silver coin with Vishnu seated on Garuda, Kartikeya with peacock. Gold coins are about Ashwamedh Yagya. Yes, and copper coins. Okay, moving further. See, again, related, like they are related questions. Many questions come related to each other. Which of the following Gupta kings had issued Ashwamedh type of gold coin? Kumar Gupta I, discussed in 15 also. Kumar Gupta I was the ruler. Brahmatayam in Sangam literature refers to most sacred place, group of invited Brahmin priest, gift of revenue, free villages to Brahmin priest, entire sequence of ritual arranged for a particular occasion. Yes, I get it difficult to pronounce the South Indian, the Tamil and Telugu names. So sorry for that, but I will work on it. Gift of revenue, free villages to Brahmin priest. ब्राह्मण, इससे बाकी के 2 कैंसल। देन ये 2 में अट्यम माने लैंड। ओके, सो गिफ्ट ऑफ फ्री रेवेन्यू, फ्री विलेजेस टू ब्राह्मण priest. 18th question, number 18. Which of the following the copper plates throw light on the administrative measures taken during drought? Sukha. Which is the copper plate? Sorry, which is the copper plate? It is Sohgoda, which is from Mauryan period. Yes, found in Uttar Pradesh. It is about the royal order about the grains distribution. Yes, due to some drought or famine, so we can find it in Sohgoda copper plate inscription. Sahini or Sahini, where the man in charge of cavalry, घोड़ों पर जो रहते हैं कैवलरी, उनका मेन इंचार्ज ऑफ कैवलरी. During ancient Indian times, the title Kaisar was taken mainly by the following ruling family. Kaisar, a Hind ruler, emperor. Yes, Kaisar German word. It is a German word associated with Hitler also. So 20 option C, Kanishk. Kanishk. Kushanas, from Kushanas, and Kushanas were having descendancy from German. Which of the following ancient Indian mathematician composed Shulb Sutra, the text in which basic concepts of mathematics are discussed? Very easy question. If you have read somewhere also, like he is Bodhayana, because आर्यभट्टा का अलग है, ब्रह्मगुप्ता का अलग है, वराहमिहिर का भी अलग है. Yes, आर्यभट्टम, ऑल्सो आर्य सिद्धांत. फिर ब्रह्मगुप्ता की ब्रह्मस्फुटा सिद्धांता, एंड वराहमिहिर के ब्रह्म संहिता और पंच सिद्धांता. ऐसे अलग अलग बुक्स है. Once you should go through books and authors so that it don't get, like, you should not miss those marks, like they will also help you get the score, your expected or your favorite score. 22. During Satavahana times, the terms Katak, Skandavar were used in the context of, these are the terms, okay? You should make separate notes or separate page for these terms, like people and places, and for terms like things. There are different, like अभी हम यूज़ करते हैं, पहले काफ़ी डिफरेंस है, so you should make notes. 22. C, army base. Katak, Skandavar, army base. The famous inscription I was talking about of Vasishthaputra Pulvami, in which he explains that Queen Gautami Balasiri, mother of Gautami Putra, caused the build a cave for Buddhist Sangha is located at. बुद्धिस्ट संघ के लिए एक केव बनाया था, जो लोकेटेड कहाँ है? पुलुमावी का जो इंस्क्रिप्शन है वो नासिक में है, और ये जो केव्स है ये भी नासिक में ही है. ओके. केव नंबर 8, केव नंबर 3, केव नंबर 3, Pandavleni caves. Yes, it was started under Gautamiputra Satkarni and was completely constructed under his son Pulumavi. Yes. Another interesting question. Question 24. A group of 5 monolithic rock-cut shrines at Mahabalipuram were excavated during the rule of the Pallava king. Dash. These are all Pallava kings. And answer is Narasimhavarman 1. Yes. And the 5 monolithic rock-cut shrines are of Dharmaraj Ratha, Bhima Rath, Arjun Rath, Nakul Sahadev Rath, Draupadi Rath. Carved between 630 to 668 CE, like काफ़ी साल लग गए थे इन्हें बनाने में. And they are made of granite. Yes. Dash is not an example of the temple sites of the Vakatakas. Not an usual question. Yes. हमलापुरी और हमलापुरी. Yes, हमलापुरी. बाकी मंडल ऑप्शन से है ना, हिंट मिल जाती है. मंडल, रामटेक, नागरा आर द टेम्पल साइट्स. ओके. Then next 26. The Sthanu Ravi copper plate inscriptions record an agreement between merchants of the Malabar coast and some Christian merchants from. ऑप्शन इसका है 26 का B, the Persian Gulf region. Christian merchants from Persian Gulf region. Now we will get to know Sthanu Ravi was the king of Kerala, region. Yes, and this copper plate has many different names like Kulion Syrian Christian copper plate, also Kolam Tarisapalli or Kottayam inscription. There is also one more, Tabula Culonesis record. Tabula Culonesis record. Yes, it has 4 different names other than the Sthanu Ravi copper plate. Sthanu Ravi was the king name. Keep this in mind. In Kerala, he is from Kerala. The name of the famous Buddhist monk mentioned in the inscription of Ajanta cave number 24. I can consider it is somewhat difficult. Option is B, Stavirachal. If you know, very good. If you don't, just know this and keep it in mind. The official name Uparikshita in the Satvahana administration was in charge of Uparakshit was in charge of building caves. Uparakshit. Yes, Uparakshit. Again, term for a man. So keep this in mind. Make separate notes for terms. Another term, Damras was the term used for. Damras was the term used for feudal lords in early medieval Kashmir. Damras. Question number 30th. Who of the following established Kavakataka rule? We have discussed it so many times. Vindhya Shakti. Yes, and at his capital was Nandivardhan. And who was the most famous and powerful? Pravarsen one. Pravarsen one was the first, very famous and powerful king, emperor of this. Which of the following Rashtrakuta kings established his capital at Manyakhet? Manyakhet, which is in Karnataka. But we will first get other things clear. Danti Durg was the founder of Rashtrakuta, and his capital was Kalburgi, which is in Karnataka. But his grandson Amog Varsha I, his capital was Manyakhet. Yes, he shifted his capital from Kalburgi to Manyakhet. Amog Varsha I. Option B. 32. Which of the following temples is not an example of Chola temple architecture? यहाँ not पूछा है, but we should go with this. Like यहाँ not है, but बाकी के तो है. जैसे ब्रह्मपुरी वर्षा टेम्पल पुलमंगली, नागेश्वर स्वामी टेम्पल कुंभकोणम, अरितेश्वर टेम्पल दारासुरम. Okay, so option B, Kailasnatha temple, Tirupattur. It was built by Nandivarman, Pallava king. It is a Pallava temple by Pallava king Nandivarman. And it is made up of soapstone. And this temple resembles the Rajashri Varman temple, which was also built by Pallava king Rajasima. Like उनके ग्रैंडफादर का था राजसी बर्मन टेम्पल एट कांची, उसका सिमिलर है ये कैलासनाथ टेम्पल एट तिरुपत्तूर. ओके. 33. Which of the following temple styles flourished during the rule of Parmaras? Dravida and Vesara and Nagara. These are the 3 main styles, but there are subdivisions. So option D, Bhumija, which also means from earth. It is a North Indian style, which is subtype. Like it is one of the 14 styles of Nagara temple architecture. as found in Aparati Aprajit Praja. And in this there is like इसकी स्पेशलिटी है rotating square circle principle is applied to construct शिखरा. like square then उसके ऊपर circle rotating, like आपको वो ऐसा लगेगा it's rotating. okay. Warangal fort was defended by two walls, the outer made of and the inner made of. Outer and inner. It's of outer is of earth and inner is of granite. Earth माने मट्टी and inner is of granite, and it was built by Kakatiya king Ganpati Deva. Warangal fort. The Yadavas of Devgiri had issued gold coins popularly known as Padmatankas. Padmatanka or Padmatankas. Yes, 35 answer A. The first expedition of Muhammad of Ghur was directed against. First expedition कब हुआ था? In 1192 AD. Oh sorry, 1175. In 1175 AD. And first was at Multan. Yes. Then उनका बैटल ऑफ तरेन विथ पृथ्वीराज चौहान, एंड फर्स्ट में वो हारे थे और सेकेंड में पृथ्वीराज चौहान हार चुके थे. ही वॉज डिफीटेड एंड देन द पाथ वॉज क्लियर एंड दे बिल्ट दे फाउंडेड द दिल्ली सल्तनत. एंड हु वॉज द फर्स्ट king of the slave dynasty, first ruler? He was Qutbuddin Aibak. Yes. Muhammad of Ghur का first expedition. Now again moving further, 37. In which of the following works of Amir Khusro do we get a description of siege implements? Amir Khusro is very famous. Nur Sifir. It is very famous. And by the way, who was Alauddin? Who was Amir Khusro? He was musician in Alauddin's court, and he was a person who lived in the court of 7 different rulers. Like उनके जितनी लाइफ थी उसमें उन्होंने 7 different rulers को देखा था. In the decisive battle of Amroha, 38. In the decisive battle of Amroha, in which Mongols were defeated, who led Alauddin's forces? इससे ये क्लियर है कि अमरोहा का बैटल किसके बीच हुआ था? मोंगल्स एंड अलाउद्दीन. तो अलाउद्दीन की तरफ से थे मलिक नायक. यस, मलिक नायक. एंड बैटल ऑफ अमरोहा इन 1305 इन यूपी. अमरोहा इन यूपी. It was between Malik Nayak, and from Mongol side there were Ali Beg and Tartak. Okay, question number 13. Question number 39. Which class were hit hard by Alauddin's measures? Which class? It was of muqaddams and traders. Which class? Like peasants के लिए भी reforms थे, soldiers के लिए भी थे, nobility के लिए भी थे, but traders and muqaddams के लिए it was somewhat harsh. 40. When was the city of Burhanpur founded and by whom? When was founded? It was founded in 1399, and it was founded by Nazir Khan in 1399. And who was Nazir Khan? He was independent ruler of Faruqi dynasty. Faruqi dynasty का independent ruler थे. Faruqi dynasty. Yes. नॉर्थ ऑफ रिवर तप्ती रिवर के नॉर्थ में मिला, इसका सिग्निफिकेंस है. और ये सिटी एस्टैब्लिश्ड है, सॉरी. एंड मूविंग फॉर द 41. According to which medieval source were elephants to be found in the Rajpipla forest of Gujarat? It is also given in some books, like in ancient NCERT or might be in new NCERT. I am getting little confused. It is given in, and it was by Abdul Hamid Lahori, by in his book Padshanama. In Padshanama. पातशाहनामा किसके ऊपर है? शाहजहां. अरे यस, इन पातशाहनामा. And Abdul Hamid Lahori. Moving further, in the year 1335, which short-lived sultanate was established in India? It was Sultanate of Madurai, which was established by Malabar Sultanate, or it was also known as Malabar Sultanate, and was established by Jalaluddin Ehsan Khan in 1335, and it was till 1378. like short lived क्यों है? Because 1335 से 1378. yes. And they were defeated by Vijayanagar Empire. yes. बुक्का वाला जो था, बुक्का एंड हरिहर वाला जो विजयनगर था, उससे उनकी डिफीट होगी, एंड इट वॉज डिस्ट्रॉयड. Athanasius Nikitin was a dash traveler. Nikitin, Russian, we can link this, and Nikitin also, he was president of Russia, so we can refer this. And which was the book by Nikitin? The Journey Beyond Three Seas. He visited India in 1469, where he visited Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Kingdom, which was under Muhammad Shah, and Vijayanagar was under Rajashekhar and Virupaksha, then Virupaksha I. yes. During the period of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the office of Diwan-e-Mazlim, again term, handled office of Diwan-e-Mazlim, cases involving the bureaucracy. Diwan-e-Mazlim. 45. Which of the following Sultan sent an embassy to the Ottoman Sultan Suleiman? Sultan Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. Option B. Yes. Any curious up till? अभी later like medieval start हो गया है, medieval start हो चुका है, and हम बीच में अभी mid medieval में है. तो सुल्तान बहादुर शाह ऑफ मुजाफिरिद डायनेस्टी, he ruled Gujarat from 1526 up to 1537, but in between he saw Humayun's conquest of Gujarat in 1535, but he again regained it in 1537. Treaty of Bassein with Portuguese was signed by him, Bahadur Shah of Gujarat, yes, and 1534, and in this treaty he gave Diu, Vasai and other islands of present day Mumbai to the Portuguese. yes. Bahadur Shah, Sultan Bahadur Shah, and he sent embassy to the Ottoman Sultan Suleiman, to whom were the titles Ashwapati and Gajapati applied in the sources of Deccan and the south. If you have little bit hint, you might be knowing of Ganga kings of Odisha. There was Gajapati, and still there is significance. like ओडिशा में अभी भी गजपति रूलर्स है. रथ यात्रा, on the occasion of रथ यात्रा, the king arrives in a palki and he sweeps the ratha, and then the rath yatra begins. So Ashwapati were Vijayanagar rulers and Gajapati were Ganga kings of Odisha. 47. What is meant by the term Staldayam found in Vijayanagar period inscriptions? Staldayam. It is transit duty. Like transit, sthal. Sthal माने place. So transit duty usually चीज़ें शिफ्ट एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं इंपोर्ट करते हैं तब लगती है. सो ट्रांजिट ड्यूटी. लाइक कुछ लॉजिक लगाना ही पड़ेगा आपको, सब चीज़ें तो याद नहीं रहेगी. ओके, इट्स अ इंग्लिश channel. We will be using both the languages, English and Hindi. Which Mughal prince got the Bijapur and Golconda to sign the deed of submission? Which prince? Deed of submission माने access, like लैंड जो उनकी लैंड है वो पीस अग्रीमेंट से वो लैंड सीसीड कर देना. सो ही वॉज, इट इज़ ऑप्शन ए खुर्रम, हु इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज शाहजहां. शाहजहां. Why is this happening? Shahjahan, whose name was Prince Khurram, and then after that, in 1637, in 1636, and then after this, in 1687, Aurangzeb attacked Golconda and Bijapur and he captured them. Like उसने तो डायरेक्ट झगड़ा करके छीन लिया. Okay, question number 49. According to the 17th century text, Vyavara Mayukha Vatan land was to be considered. This is a 17th century text. It was written by Nilakantha. It is a digest of civil law, and according to this, private property. Option A, Vatan land is private property. Yes, by Nilakantha. Again, moving further, Vyavara Mayukha. 50th question. Yes. What was Katra Parcha or Katra Parcha? It is a tax on cloth. Option C. It is like tax on clothes of cotton, silk, wool on. It is a tax on cotton, silk, wool, which was laid in Mughal administration, laid on merchants and artisans. Like artisans and merchants के ऊपर ये tax था. It also included indigo, saltpeter and salt. Yes. Katra Parcha or Katra Parcha. Thank you for the session. Hope you all liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Let your friends take the advantage of this. You should also take the advantage. एग्ज़ाम से पहले भी अगर आप एक बार इसको 2x पर देख लेंगे तो it will help you a lot. Thank you friends. We will be back from 51 to 100 in the next video. Keep studying. All the best.